Yes, I hope my screen should be visible now. Sorry, we have looked at SP500. So with SP500, we said that you're supposed to sell from this line. If you can remember last week, when was this? 1, 2, 3, 4, like 3 trading days ago, we actually said that you're supposed to place a pending sell limit around this point. So if you went short, if you placed a pending sell limit here, then you're supposed to be money even now, but then your take profit is almost being hit, which is level 2586.8. So we don't want to add much on this. We were still holding on to the sell position we had previously. We sold it from this point, from 2713.6, and it's still holding up to 2586. So we say that to state recommendation, if you .2586. So assuming you did not trade it, you should wait for retracements upwards, then pick a long-term sell position. With the type 86 frame, if there's anything. So if you look at it, you'll notice that this was actually a sell. There's a sell there. Then you also had a sell there. We'll do our indicator. There's this support. We have a support here. A support broken. Price came back to the same place. Down, came back to the same place, went down, tried coming back to the same place, but did not reach this line perfectly. So already we had a sell position going on from when this pin bar occurred here, and we are still holding on to that sell position. So we expect the price to come up to this place, up to 2586.5, and there's nothing to be added on this one. Maybe we want to check weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, we have this massive trend upwards, then there's a downtrend, a correction, then there's an upward move, then there's another correction, and this is the correct place. So according to weekly chart, what we said yesterday was that should the price break below 2586.8, then the next best place to look for a sell is here. But as long as this place is still holding the price, this line is still holding the price above it, then this is going to be a good buy place. We indicated it with this red mark. So that is that for SP500. We go to the next one, which is gold, and gold is the next one on the list. So gold, you can remember yesterday we actually said that this was supposed to be a buy here, but then had the price broke below the same, then this was going to be a perfect sale place. So we actually bought it real, but then price broke below the same place. went back to the same place, and then we sold it, and now we are still on a sell. We actually expect the price to come down up to this trend line. We have been holding. So you can look at this like this. There is this candle breaking below it. Then we have an inside bar, then an engulfing candle, then there's another inside bar. All these indicate the same thing, that we are downwards. This inside bar indicates that we are downwards. We also have this engulfing candle which indicates we are downwards. Then we also have this engulfing in bar which indicates we are downwards. So if you're bought it, then the best thing is to get out, then look for a sell position, and then there's a support here which has to be broken first. This one, shall I expect a move like this? There should be a move like that. Then price should turn back, sorry, like that. I'll give it a once like that. So you're waiting to sell this one here, and at the same time you're also waiting to resell it here again. So if you didn't go short when the price was doing this, when there was this inside bar, the green one, we have this green inside bar, or you didn't sell it here, next look 28.7. So go on the daily chart, sorry, this 4-hour chart. We are looking to resell gold around 12.87. So these are the lines we're looking for. We look for to sell here or to sell somewhere here. These are the only main places. And if the price fails to break below 1221.46, then this is another good place to look for a buy. So we recommend that you sold it previously, remain short. If you sold it previously, remain short with your first take profit at 12.46. At next along the trend, along the immediate supportive trend line here. So what that means, you should wait for a sell here and then have your take profit at around this line here. And that is that for gold. The last one, which is Brent. So if you can remember, with Brent oil, actually it is supposed to look for a buy position, but from what I saw earlier today is that Brent actually went down yesterday. So this is the situation. This is how it looks now. Remember, we still have our lines, this good buy place. We still have this as a good buy place. Then we still also have this as a good buy place, this line. Then we also have line as a good buy place. All three are significant. The low one, the middle one, and the upper one. Then we have this line that we need to check for trade. So we say that the price should continue upwards, but as it right, watch for watch these two lines, 75.475 and 79.740. Should the price bounce from, should the price 75.457, this is a good buy place. Good buy place. And should the price break below it, we'll be looking for a sell, some sell towards 70.938. So far our pairs, we have our pairs here, the first three. We have Euro USD, which you see we actually are still upwards. Sorry, we are still up. This based on a weekly chart. We are still upwards as long as the price is above this a week profit almost being hit. At the moment, TJPY we are upwards. SP 500 previously and is still holding. Then gold market, we are looking for a sell based on yesterday's analysis. Then Brent oil, we are watching for these two lines which are daily levels, but currently we expect a move towards this support line 75.45.8, and should the price break below it, then it'll be another good place for selling. So that should for today. We meet again tomorrow around the same time. Thank you.